So we have a brand new update in Fortnite, so let's just go check it out. That seems like there's a minigun and like a brand new countdown and a little Fall Guys thing. As you can see right here, pause to read. So let's just hop in and see on what we find. Right, so let's just sign up the Fall Guys thing first. It's over here, kind of. Just go over here and test what's out there. It's being cheap. Okay, that's no. Goddamn, wasting time. Make sure your parents don't watch this, but they might get enraged so hard. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Alright, so... Okay, this is good. What the... I've got minis! I've got minis! I've just so rigged. Oh. Let me just get in this real quick. Okay. Let's go where the next update is. Let's try and find all the updates. Go! Yo! How are you getting that? Yeah, bro. Dead? What? Oh. Bro, he's not living this. Bro, can't be living this. Dead. Easy! Easy doo-doo don, bro. Actually doo-doo don. Okay, so... Check that. Oh, okay. Wait, is the... Because that's not sure. I'm gonna take this over... because... I need it, bro. Okay. What's in the zone? We'll get it next game. Okay. Easy, bro. Easy. Okay. Oh, let's do that. So, I'm gonna choose the fix more off. And get some electric stuff. Electric pencil. I don't know what it is. What the? Wait, get over here. What the?